have a window. Please see the ground and stuff. Guys, come here. See? Yay! And it's literally on the girls' hostel side, so I am so happy I can open my window at all times. Hi guys, so we are in hostel. Finally, also fit check, but yeah, it's very comfy fit check, and I need to go and ask them if I can get my stuff from the cloakroom. Like मैंने जो डब्बे मैंने pack करे थे. If you guys haven't watched my moving out vlog, I think you should watch that because it's a very fun and sentimental vlog. Anyway, back to what's happening. I need to kind of get my shit together, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna go and talk to the wardens now and let's see what happens. You feel like Sunday morning drives. Well, I just realized मैंने इस vlog का कोई सर पैर नहीं छोड़ा है. So here is an intro. I just moved into my new hostel at Mahi Bengaluru or Manipal Bangalore, whatever they called it. Those of you who are new here, my name is Manasvi. I'm a second year BCom student at Manipal Bangalore, and yeah, this is a hostel move-in vlog. Also, if you guys think there's something wrong with my face or my teeth, I had to get braces not only because my teeth were crooked or I had an overbite. I actually had medical reasons why I had to get it. So yeah, I have braces now, and it's been such a bad time with these. It's been 4 days since I got them, and today has been a little better with these. I still don't know if I can eat or not because I've been on a liquid diet and it sucks. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is that I'm back in hostel. I am very excited for it. But let me explain to you how today's day is gonna go. First off, मैंने अपने दोनों जो स्टोरेज रूम में से दोनों डब्बे लाए थे बड़े बड़े जो मैं भर के गई थी, उसको कल रात को सारा मतलब निकाल दिया. मेरी रूममेट अभी तक आई नहीं है. She is my friend who I also might have or might not have fought. Okay, if you want a story time on that, please comment down below. And also, note it's probably somebody you know. If you're watching me, I think you also might have watched her vlogs as well because she's in the same college and same university as me, and we are friends. And she's in the same year as me, so I think you know who I'm talking about. So if you know who I'm talking about, do comment down below, and whoever guesses is gonna get a shout out in my next video. आज का दिन is just gonna be organizing, and maybe moving furniture. So I think you guys need to be excited about how the room is gonna look by the end of the day, and watch this video till the end. Okay, I love you. I'm gonna get back to work. अपन नीचे जा रहे हैं for now. खुल जा समसर. The reason we are going niche is because my roommate is here. So guys, fit check. काफी chill fit रखा है मैंने आज का. Like you know, because I'm a chill girl, so I'm having a chill fit. हाँ, अभी हमें यहाँ से यहाँ करना है. चल रहा है guys, under construction. Yay! You make me wanna patch up my mind. And all these silhouettes of cigarette exhaust. Couple pennies for your thoughts, I wouldn't mind if you cried. Let it all fall down, baby, I'm gonna die. Raise a solo to the ceiling if you feel me. I see you mixing up the liquor with your feelings, yeah. Baby, I know your type, couple screws loose, I'm just the same, so I flip it, now she wanna party. Taking all the Whitney for her own scheme, but she leaving in the morning. Now she grabbing on my drawers and couple pins. Hi guys, so I'm almost done with a few things. Let me show you. I have finished doing my this space that I organized. It's like really unorganized, like it's like really new right now. So I'm gonna show you like the entire proper room tour in the room tour video or the room transformation video, so stay tuned for that. But for the time being, let me show you. This is how I have organized my makeup and all the girly stuff. And this is where I have kept some daily items. This is where I have kept my stationery, and this is where I've kept some like stuff. My bed is still a mess and my clothes are still in the suitcase, but I did do my washroom, like my washroom space. And well, now I'm gonna go meet my friends and probably get something to eat. So yeah, see you there. Guys, this is literally how we have left our room. Like, it's so dirty. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Guys, I finally did my wardrobe and I took all my clothes out of the suitcase, and here is how I have organized it for now. And this is how the rest of the room turned out.
You feel like Sunday morning drives.